Hello friends, today we will learn HTML link tags. Okay, so how to just imagine here is the click me button. When I click this one, it's going on google.com. How? Just watch. Click me. Okay, here is the button. It's a button. Okay, it's a button. Just this one, it's a button. When I click, just refresh the page. Not working more. Okay, so here I am use www.google.com. then what happened? Okay, it's going on. Okay, just copy google.com and just copy and paste here. This means it's a URL. Okay, is ref, that means it's URL. So if I click here right now, that's going on google.com. If I use, here is the target tag, then it will be blank. So what happened, it will be new tab. Okay, it will be new tab, then will be parent. Here is the simple parent. Okay, parent, this means here you open this one. Okay, then will be self, that's mean here's. Okay, it's mean okay, target blank. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe.